Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. So I welcome you all on my channel Maths K Preet. Today I am proceeding with the last chapter. The video last I uploaded was of number system. This is the second video on number system. In the last video, we learned about the decimal expressions of rationals and irrationals and the basic number of mathematics. So the decimal conversion of a rational number is either terminating or if non-terminating then reoccurring as well. So from here we will learn how to convert a fraction to decimal under rational numbers and from decimal to fractions for the rationals again, and how to rationalize the denominator and few identities related to the rationals and irrationals. So say if we have this number 2 by 11, first we will check whether this is a rational number or not. So clearly this is of the form p by q. 2 is an integer, 11 is also an integer, 11 is not equals to 0 as well, and the common factor between both the numbers is 1, so both the numbers are co-prime. So this number is satisfying all the conditions for the rational number, so 2 by 11 belongs to rationals. Let's see how to convert from, this is the fraction form, from fraction to decimal form. Just what we will do, we will write this 2 as dividend, 11 as divisor. 2 is less than 11, so we'll put a decimal here and bring a 0 here. So 11 ones are 11, 9 is the remainder. From this decimal again we can take 0. 11 8s are 88. So 2 is remainder again. From this decimal take a 0. 11 ones are 11. Again 9 is the remainder. We'll write 0 here because 9 is less than 11. 11 8s are 88. Again the remainder is what? 2, and this procedure will keep on going. It never ends, so it's never ending. So here 11, 2 by 11 can be written as 0.18, 18, 18 and so on. And this so on and repetition of 18 can be written in the form of by a bar over 1 and 8, which both the digits are reoccurring. Put the bar over that digits. So it is clear that this number 2 by 11 is a rational. From the definition of the rational numbers into decimal expression, clearly this number is what? Non-terminating and reoccurring as well. So this is the decimal expression for the rational number 2 by 11. Now we will check we will check how to convert from decimal to fraction. I am taking same number, its decimal form, and will convert it to fraction. So the decimal expression was decimals to fraction, obviously for rationals. So this was my number, this was the decimal expression. Consider this as x. So x can be written as 0.181818. Now I will change it this number to the fraction form. So x is equals to 0.18. The bar is on 2 digits, so we will multiply both the sides with 100. So 100 both the sides, this and this. 100x is equals to, after multiplying it with 100, I will get this number. Just write up to 3 reoccurrences. It will be easy for us. So 100x is equals to 18.181818. So here we will break the number. What we will do, we will just from this number we will subtract this. Whatever we will get right here. So this number minus the value of x is 18. So 18 plus this number will be equals to 18 plus x always. Here we will get x after subtracting from this number the value of x, we will get x always here, and the subtraction of this will be written here. The result will be written here. So 100x, we will take this x on the left hand side. It will be now minus x. From plus to it will change to minus. So 99x is equals to 18. X is equals to 18 by 99. So on 9 it will be 2 by 11. So we have seen in the last question, value was what? We have taken the fraction as 2 by 11. This is the same. So this is the way how we will convert a decimal form of an integer which is non-terminating and reoccurring into a fraction. Let's do one more question that will give you more clarity about the steps. So if I have number x is equals to 0.235 and the bar is over 2 digits, 3 and 5 only. It's not on 2. So this is my x. X is equals to 0.2. We will write once. These digits are repeating itself. Right up to 3 steps. So here bar is over 2 digits. We will multiply both the sides with x. So it will become 23.535353. Keep on going. Now we will break the number. How we will break? We will just write into sum of two numbers. Here we are always getting x. Write the value of x here, 0.235353 and so on. And here what we will do, we will just subtract this from this number, the value of x. After subtracting the value this from x, the value will be 23.3. So let me check the value for you here. Let me show you how to subtract 5, 3 and so on. So I will subtract the value of x, which is 0.235353 and so on. 0 is here. So the value will be 23.3 here and zeros. So the value is what? 23.3, which I have written here. This is the way we will subtract. So 100x is equals to 23.3 plus this is what? X. So I am taking x on the left hand side. It will convert the x into negative x. So 99x is equals to 23.3. I am writing here x is equals to 23.3 divided by 99. X is equals to 23. Remove the decimal. It will give a 0 here. So obviously x is equals to 233 divided by 990 is the fraction form for the number 0.235 with bar over 3 and 5. So this is the fraction form for the number. Now let's see how to rationalize the denominator now. Before that, I would like to teach you with few identities. So if I am writing root a or square root of a, this means this can be written as a raised to power 1 by 2. This is the meaning of square root. If I am writing 2 here, it's same, nothing is different. So whether someone is writing 2 or not, symbol means 1 by 2. So first is, if I have root a and root b, we can take root over the multiplication of AB. Second is, if I am having root A divided by root B, we will take single root and divide A by B. Third is, if I have root A plus root B and root A minus square root of B, this means this is what we know, that A plus B and A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So if I do square of this number, so this means 1 by 2 into 2. Fine. So this means we can cancel these 2's. This means A raised to power 1. That means A only. So this is equals to A minus B. Fourth is, if I have root A minus plus root B and root C plus root D. This can be written as, we will just multiply, we will take this and multiply with both the numbers. Root A with root C will give us root C. Then positive sign, this root A with root D will give us root of AD. Now we will take the second number root B. We will multiply with these two numbers. So root B with root C will give us root BC and BD. So this is the expansion for these two brackets. Fifth is root A plus root B whole square. We know that AB square is what? A plus B whole square is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, when we will do root A square, it will give us A, root B square plus B plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 times root A root B, which can be written as root A root B in single root. So these were few identities, and we will discuss now how to rationalize the denominator, and we need these identities to solve the question. So first question is, if I have to rationalize this number, rationalize the denominator, what we will do, we can write this number as multiply numerator and denominator with root 2. We know that multiplication of the roots of the same number will cancel out the root. So here 1 into root 2 is root 2. This means root 2 multiplied with root 2. This further is equals to, I have just explained while explaining identities. So this can be written as root 2 square. This root 2 will be same, 2 raised to power 1 by 2, 2 here in the power. So root 2 is equals to 2, 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 2. We can cancel these 2. So we are left with 1. So this is the answer, which can be further written as root 2 by 2. Here the denominator is what now? Here it is a irrational number. Now here the denominator is a rational number. So this is the way we can convert the irrational denominator to a rational denominator. Let's see one more question. This was quite easy. So if I have this number 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5, and it is asking me to rationalize the denominator. What I will do, I will just write the number for the first time in the solution. and this number is equals to what? We will multiply and divide, or we can say we can multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number that is in denominator, but with the opposite sign. So we will put a plus here. This is equals to what? So we know how to multiply the fractions. Just multiply numerator with the numerator, this is plus, and denominator with the denominator. So this is type of a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So a square minus 3 root 3 square is what? 3 minus root 5 square is what? 5. From where? Root 3 square can be written as 3 raised to power 1 by 2 square, 3 2 by 2, which is 3 raised to power 1. So 3 minus 5. Which identity we are following here? We are following the identity a minus b. Or we can take roots here. A minus root b, root a plus root b. Result is what? A minus b. So this is equals to 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 divided by what? Minus 2. So this is equals to, we can take this minus in the numerator as well. 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 divided by 2. So this is the answer, and here in the denominator we have this rational number from an irrational number. So this was the way we can convert the denominator, or we can rationalize the denominator. This was all about this chapter. Hope you understand all the concepts very well. If you have some queries, you can messenger me or comment me. I'm always ready to help you. So if you are liking my videos, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.